Okay, let's go over last week's market recap for February 16, 2024. Finally, the US markets took a breather. After 5 weeks of posting positive returns, the S&P 500 was down zero point 0.4 for the week. The Dow Jones was down 0.1. Gold and the bond market were also down. NASDAQ down 1.3. The big winner of the week was the world equity markets. They were actually positive of 1%. But if you look from this chart, this is actually Tuesday, and every market went down on Tuesday. And here is why. Headline number two, the CPI and inflation came in hotter than expected. Not only at the core CPI, but at the headline CPI across the board, everything was higher. So the stock market declined, US dollar jumped, and bond yields spiked. So the key takeaway is inflation has stopped going down and has now turned the other way and started to go back up. And here's a great chart to show this. If you look here over the last 2.5 years, the trend has been down, but that trend has changed here in the fall of 23, and the 1 month are starting to go up, and the 3 month, represented by this orange line, are starting to go higher. So that is why the Fed is paused and are pushing off interest rate cuts. So they're going to have to see this thing kind of plateau or start to go the other way if they plan on cutting interest rates. All right, market headline number three, shopping slowdown. The U.S. retail sales came in for January, and they were negative 0.8, the biggest 1 month drop since over a year ago. So we need to see, is the consumer slowing, is growth slowing, or is this just a 1 month occurrence? So we shall see. All right, that's it for this week. Thank you for joining us. Our next weekly recap is Monday, February 26th. Have a great week trading.